Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's the Multiple Stream King, LaDerrick Williams, CEO and founder of the Paid in Full family. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Listen real quick before I dive into this information I know y'all ready for. I need you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that red button and subscribe, and make sure you click that bell so anytime I drop a video, you are the first to be notified. What's going on, Paid in Full family? I'm back with another video. You all know it's been a couple of days. But you know me, if I'm not shooting a video, I'm working, I'm grinding, bringing on business partners, helping folks, you know, creating an additional stream of income for themselves, man. We're trying to change lives and bank accounts around here. So I have something for you all, man, because literally, I really appreciate my Paid in Full family. I appreciate my viewers because a lot of you all are using the social media links below and connecting with me. Some of you all are actually emailing me. And it's just been great connecting, man, and, you know, really, you know, listening to you all's goals and things that you have planned. And, you know, a lot of you all are telling me that you want to be partnering with me within the next day, within the next week, within the next month, whatever the case, man. I'm really excited. But also I have those who, you know, are right now financially in a hard place. All right, and like, you know, I really want to partner with you because you seem like a great person. I always have great energy and I want to work with you, but just, you know, some of the stuff that you got right now, just my bank account doesn't really match, you know, with far as starting up the business. Anything that I do, you all, is going to be cheaper than one of these brick and mortar businesses. It's going to be cheaper than, you know, you trying to go find a business off a lot somewhere and, you know, you have to lease a whole building. You know what I'm saying? Like, anything that I get to be a part of is $200 or less. But today, all right, we're going to tell you to put your wallet away. All right, we're going to have you put your wallet away, man, because this is a system that I've been using now for over 4 months. All right, it is phenomenal. And if you're trying to make some money online and like you're a beginner, this is for everyone. Whether you're a beginner or if you've been in this game for years. All right, I just brought on a business partner yesterday who just got started with his for free. All right, he's been in business for years, okay? But a lot of beginners that I've been talking to, you know, that, you know, they're seeing my primary opportunity, which if you want to know what that is, just there's a link below. You'll be able to see that as well. But matter of fact, I'm not even going to put that link below. Just if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, go through the videos, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. But I don't want to put too many different things on one video, right? Right now we're going to save this just for this, all right? And so there'll be a link below for you to get started with this for free. No ask you for no credit card, no nothing. You want to make money online, this is it, all right? When I was talking to the guy who brought me onto this, and I said, man, I really wish that I would have got started with this system over 2 years ago, all right? Because I've been making money online for so long now, and with each opportunity, with each system, I've been able to generate income, but I've never seen anything like this. And when I say that, I'm speaking in regards to, you know, the leadership, man, to the creator of this system. Like, I've never seen someone so fired up and so just staying in the lab. All right, when I mean he's staying in the lab, he is staying in the lab like literally every other day, if not every day. He's inside of our private Facebook training group. Hey, we just dropped this. Hey, my team is going to be dropping this. Hey, we got a new additional feature. Hey, we got this. And I'm like, man, this guy is unreal. You know what I'm saying? But I love it. And that's why he's been able to retain so many people. And that's why this business is literally going to pay me $5,000 residually. My goal is to get it done by March. A lot of people think I could be able to get it done sooner. But I have my hands in a few things. So I'm going to definitely spend a lot of time with this. All right. But I also have other things going on. All right. Because I'm literally trying to have, you know, a 5,000 residual. There's just a number I have in my head with each platform that I'm rocking, right? And this one, I'm definitely going to get there. It's going to be over 5,000, but right now, my initial first goal is to get this to $5,000 a month. All right, and it's simply giving something away for free. All right, and you'll be able to see it today. All right, like literally, put your information in. All right, for those people who are on this channel, man, and you all are just snooping and really not serious, do not bother even clicking on the link. Like people. It boggles my mind. People putting in fake emails, not knowing that you're going to be receiving some valuable information to that email. And if you don't want any more information, it's simple as going to the email that you receive and clicking unsubscribe, and you won't receive any more emails from me. All right, but this is for my serious people, all right? I gave those people a little 2 second of fame. All right, let's get back to the real people who are watching this channel, because for the majority of the people, which I would say 97% of the people who watch this channel are serious. And I know this because just checking the algorithm, just checking the views, a lot of people are hitting me up. I have a lot of people that are on my Facebook friend list now that came from YouTube. Like, I literally just told people I need to delete about 1,000 because I have over 500 friend requests waiting. All right, and so I really appreciate that. But click on the link below, you all. All right, we're talking about you getting started with this thing for free. All right, the compensation plan is crazy. All right, I mean, you can't beat it. All right, I want you to click on the link so you can find out more about it. But I'm gonna tell you now, every business needs this. All right, and this is the reason why I say this is great for beginners to get a good taste of this industry. All right, because this particular system and tool is what everyone in our industry, as far as the online marketing niche, needs and wants. All right, it's just about putting the information out there so they can see it. You're going to be taught and shown exactly how to market this thing to get this in front of the eyeballs of the people who want it and who need it. And you'll be making money online just like myself, just like a lot of other top leaders, all right? And you may just want to keep this as your primary opportunity. I'm not sure, all right? This is a system and tool that I've been using, all right, to help grow my other online businesses. But it has an affiliate program attached to it that is unmatched, all right? It's unmatched and it's reasonable. So I'll say, you know what? Let me shoot a video for people who are, say, you know what, I just don't have the money to join. Or I don't have, right now I wouldn't be able to afford an auto ship of $120, $150, things of that nature. Even $75, I wouldn't be able to, afford something like that. Well, this is it. All right. If you can't do this, like, I really don't know what to say, man. All right. You're going to have to take a leap and jump somewhere, because there's so many people that I've talked to that are literally sick and tired of their jobs. They're sick and tired of being sick and tired. They're looking for a way out, but they just won't make a move. All right. And so I'm encouraging you today, the person who's watching this video right now. All right. I know I'm talking to you. I know I'm speaking to your heart. Get involved. All right. I'm talking about for you getting started for free. 14 days, you're able to test this thing for free and start making money. All right, and start making money. Click on the link, all right, and get started. Once you get started, let me know. You can either hit me up on my social media links, whether you're on the Facebook, you're on Instagram, all right, or you can just email me and say, hey, LaDerrick, I got started. All right, can you send me the free training? I'm going to send you the free training. Make sure you add yourself to the private Facebook training group so you can see, all right, that the creator of this movement, he is nonstop in there giving us more and more and more info. I got people hitting me up right now on Facebook. 1 second. All right, so see, I got to get back to work, okay? So enough, I've said enough, all right? I've said enough. You want to learn how to make money online for free? Start here. Start here. Click on the link below, watch the videos, and get started. Let me know once you're in, and I'll see y'all on the inside. It's your boy.